This is POCO X7, and today I'll show how you can perform an initial system setup on this device. So to start, select what language you would like to have your setup and consequentially the system in. You can also increase or decrease the text size here. Now select your region, read and agree on the terms and conditions. Here you can optionally use another device to set this phone up, or you can skip the step and set the smartphone as a brand new device. You can also insert a SIM card at this point, or skip the step and do that later. Now connect your device to a Wi-Fi network. Now wait a few moments for the phone to get ready. Here you can optionally sign into your Google account, or you can skip this step for now and do that later on. Now enable the Google services you would like to use and disable the ones you don't. Here select the default search, the default browser app that you would like to use, as well as search engine. Now you can optionally set up a screen lock, either biometrical one or a regular PIN, pattern, or password. Or you can skip this step and do that later. Here, review additional apps, press OK, wait a few moments once again. Now select what POCO or Xiaomi services you would like to use, enable them. You can switch on parental controls at this stage. Set up the font or the text appearance. You can switch the font itself, as you can see. Now you can enable the wallpaper carousel or skip the step and use a regular screen lock, or lock screen rather. Now enable what home screen style you would like to have, classic or app drawer. And well, as you can see, that'll beat. The phone is set up, and you can start using it. And well, as far as this video goes, well, I can conclude it here, so thanks for watching and bye bye.